dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
My correct people are welcome back to my wonderful channel. Reality Test is your home of news and politics. As we be giving a back-to-back update and information, I say they hot. My people, I don't carry another gist one con yarn on na. Hey, ever since we this Edo State governorship election finish, my people na different kata. Now they come our table. Now my people they matter what don't carry. Con give una be say Senator Okpebholo, the governor-elect of Edo State, don't call allege the looting of government funds by officials of the outgoing administration, and he don't call accuse the government officials of looting public properties, including vehicles, furniture, and rice. My people don't be small matter. And that one I go carry con give una be say the former Edo State Deputy Governor Pius Odubo na go lead the All Progressive Congress Transition Committee team that will work with the outgoing administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki. My people now remember say Governor Godwin Obaseki write a letter con give Senator Okpebholo. So time don't reach for am to bring out the names of in transition members. We go work with your own transition members so that they feel ensure a seamless transfer of responsibility and power. Now you will be say internal don't they expire. So now Odubo Pius now be the person way Senator Okpebholo bring come out. But before my people I go proceed, I go welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. I thank you now well for joining us on today wonderful news. Oh yeah, my people, may we dive into the main story. My wonderful people, Senator Okpebholo, the Edo State governor-elect, don't come out and accuse Governor Godwin Obaseki-led administration of taking unscrupulous loan from banks and other financial institutions. Senator Okpebholo, who alleged the looting of government funds by officials of the outgoing administration, also accused government officials of looting public properties, including vehicles, furniture, and rice. My people, you don't set. This message was contained in a statement that was issued by Senator Okpebholo on Wednesday, in which he called on relevant authorities, including the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, ACCUS3, Police and Department of State Services, to investigate the allegation. So the statement, which partly read with a great shock, that he regretted the widespread report of looting of government funds and properties by officials of the outgoing administration from the government house, Benin City. So it's so sad that barely 1 month to hand over, the outgoing administration, Governor Godwin Obaseki, is still allegedly obtaining loans from bank other financial institutions under very shady headings, my people. So now they can't talk say, make Governor Godwin Obaseki know say they are all aware of the massive looting and vandalization of properties, including vehicles, furniture, gadgets, household utensils, and even carpets from offices and residency of Edo State government. Senator Okpebholo, the talk say this unacceptable behavior undermines the trust and faith of their citizens in those entrusted to serve them in the past 8 years. So may EFCC, police, and DSS may they try investigate the allegations thoroughly and ensure that those found guilty are held accountable while protecting government house and offices from vandals. My people, NDO, Senator Okpebholo went on to instruct the banks and other financial institutions that they are hereby, by this notice, cautioned to desist from any dealings that will undermine the finances of Edo State, especially giving out loans to government at this period of transition. And the Accountant General of Edo State is hereby advised to uphold the principle of integrity in his duty, because as it stands, now be the only act we be see if he put in name in good, and there will be no dire consequences for any act of impunity and stealing on any person or institution found wanting in this regard. Senator Okpebholo also added that the incoming administration will continue to monitor the situation until the last day of the outgoing administration. Also, my people, when I remember when Philip Shayibo, the restated Deputy Governor of Edo State, urged the permanent secretary and head of government agency to prevent political appointee from looting state properties. So now Senator Okpebholo don't come out and still want them again, because very soon on November 12th he will be sworn in as a governor of Edo State. So is anybody found wanting that they are going to probe them? It no go mercy for any of them at all. Hey, my people, now this one can raise so many reactions among the citizens of Edo State. Many people come they complain say they no say no business to Okpebholo na write this thing. Say na Senator Adams Oshiomhole. Hey, my people no be small matter. Now they talk say they pity Edo people and Ihodalo who talk say if faith in Nigeria judiciary remain unshakable, say that they wait may they see the outcome of the tribunal. My people don't be small matter. Another person don't come back on the talk say nine godfather nine take loan. That is Adams Oshiomhole for erosion in the last days of his administration. That instead of Adams Oshiomhole to use the money for another purpose we go help Edo people, he say he go use and come go dey build mansion for him village. He also use the money come go marry one young girl from Cape Verde. So the same godfather is now blaming Governor Godwin Obaseki for not fixing the constant erosion problem in Edo State. My people no be small bass bozo. So guys, I go like make I know wetin I think about this matter in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. My people, you guys can recall when the Edo State government wrote to Senator Okpebholo to initiate the formation of his transition team. So in a letter that was dated October 10th, 2024, the secretary to the state government, Joseph Ibobai, said establishing the team would allow both parties to begin meaningful discussion and share vital information that would ensure a seamless transfer of responsibilities and continuity of governance. So now, my people, the former Edo State Deputy Governor, now be the person where APC don't come appoint, say now go lead the All Progressive Congress Transitional Committee team that will work with the outgoing administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki. My people, this was contained in a letter by the acting chairman of the APC, Jerry Tinubu, that was made available online. So others are Matthew Uruhede, Osagi Ezenyamo, Enwata, Washington Osifo, Nosa Adams, Omosade Igbenedion, Paul Ehubamo, Edo Omarageva, Ernest Afolabi, Taiwo Akirile, Godwin Eshishi, Yaximosa. Also include on the list are Kazima Febwai, Ohie Omo Ezomo, Gani Ahudu, Dr. Aminu Imafidon, Prof. Oyazure, and so many other persons. So they are going to work in accordance with Governor Godwin Obaseki transition team. So now my people, Jerry Tinubu is saying that they are looking forward to a smooth and effective collaboration with their 24 members committee, headed by Chief Pius Odubo as chairman, for meaningful discussion that will lead to a seamless transition process. So my people, as Governor Godwin Obaseki prepare for transition of power, he believes it is crucial to establish a smooth and effective collaboration between his team and the incoming administration. So my people, I would like to know what I think about this matter in our comment section. I would like to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us.